Right, ladies.
Hello.
Four non-blondes. Kerry.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
I'm very well.
Nicola, how are you?
Hi, nice to meet you.
And this is Kate.
Nice to meet you.
And Rebecca.
Good to meet you.
Likewise, good to see you. Now, you ladies think that you're good enough and talented enough and strong enough to work in a Ramsay kitchen, yes?
Yeah.
You've got a fully booked dining room. You are responsible for the starters, the main and the dessert. And we're going to be working as a team, yeah?
Absolutely.
Do not let me down.
No, we won't.
Yeah? Right, stove's on. Get these lit straight away.
Oh.
Nicola, what are you doing?
Trying it like this and making a hash of it.
You should know exactly how to light the fucking stove by now.
No, well, we did before, but somehow.
You did before. Fuck me, we're in for a tough night, no? Right, ladies. Yes? There's 12 tables out there.
Yeah.
And the first course is scrambled eggs. You're going to do one table each. On order, 5 couples, table 6. 5 scrambled egg, 5 black bream, 5 gratin savion. Yes, chef?
Yes, chef.
Right, Kerry, 5 scrambled eggs away.
Okay.
On order, 4 covers, table 11. 4 scrambled egg, 4 black bream, 4 savion gratin.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, ladies, come on.
Scrambled egg with wild mushroom is a delicious and easy starter. The brigade have been shown how to make it, and it's simple, but you have to concentrate.
Start slicing your bread. How many are you doing there, Kate?
4.
Yeah? Rebecca? I've asked for 4 from you as well, but there's nothing on.
Okay. Didn't realise we were doing stuff simultaneous.
Listen, ladies, the only way to do this is separate tables. You're only cooking, on average, 4 portions of scrambled eggs each. Nothing more than that.
Okay.
Nicola, get your eggs on.
But I thought I was doing the mushrooms.
We're doing 1 table each.
Okay.
So you've got 5 portions of scrambled egg. 4 portions, 5 portions, 4 portions, 4 portions.
We're going to get so much to split this now.
Yes.
Taste that, Kerry. And tell me the first thing you taste in your mouth. Quick.
It's egg.
It's burnt. You can't taste that's burnt.
Yeah, I can.
Get it in the bin. Let's go.
Okay. Fine.
Rebecca?
Yeah.
What is that?
I know, I'm really,
Rebecca,
really...
no. Let go.
Because I put
yeah,
it in
no,
the top
let go.
half. Sorry. Really... I know. Okay, sorry.
Get it in the bin and start again. Kerry?
Yeah.
Bring them here. They're burnt as well. Show me. Lift the pan up. What are we doing? Come here. Yeah, ladies, Kerry, we've been cooking now for 20 minutes, yeah, and fuck all's happened. I'm not here for 5 hours, and nor are the customers, you know that. Before I met you guys, I at least thought that you could fucking cook scrambled eggs times 4. Right now, we'll cook 5 more portions together, and then we follow suit again.
Okay. Yeah.
Garlic out, goodbye for the garlic, and then just scatter them around. Clean the plates, please. Okay. Right, ladies, are we happy with that?
Yeah.
New start?
Yeah.
Yes. A bit of composure.
Yeah.
Hello. And we communicate to one another. Okay?
Yes, Gordon.
Yeah?
Right,
Kerry,
yeah.
Nicola, let's go, yeah?
Okay.
Okay. Right, Nicola,
Something's burning.
what's going on? Oh, for fuck's sake. Fucking hell. Hey, right, ladies. Hey, ladies. Oh, fuck me.
Gordon,
Yes, John Baptiste.
people are complaining about the smell of the burn in the restaurant.
What can I do?
No, I don't know. I tell
Open
you.
the window or open the door. Do something. Fucking
I'll
use your
try.
brain. I'm not interested in blaming or anything. Look, we're fucking kitchens caked in smoke. We fucking wasted over 200 eggs and fuck all's been served.